Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I haven't really been making any videos because, you know, quarantine and it's all been a bit crazy. Trying to get into the groove of things, but then it's never really going to be a right way to do things because it's just crazy. No one's experienced something like this before. But I'm not going to talk about that because we hear enough about it, so hopefully you can come to my channel and just be distracted. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing like a day in the life today. This morning I got up, I woke up, as you can see I'm in my gym gear. I made the bed because I guarantee you if you wake up and you make your bed, you will feel a lot more productive and more ready to start your day. It just clears your mind. I feel like if you've got a messy bed or a messy room in general, your mind's going to be messy and then you won't feel good. So tip number one, as soon as you wake up, make your bed and try and tidy your room a little bit. I've still got to put away some clothes over here, but I'll do that later. So yeah, like I said, I woke up, make my bed, and then I went for a 5k run. And if you know me, I am really not good at cardio. I hate cardio. I'm more about weight training and doing the machines in the gym. But yeah, I really wanted to spend this time trying to get my cardio endurance up. So yeah, I went on my first 5k today and I can't believe I completed it. And I did it in 34 minutes, which I think is pretty good going for someone that doesn't do running, jogging, cardio at all. So yeah, I did that and I was dripping. Came back, I've just chilled out on the bed for a little bit. Yeah, so I might do a couple of arm workouts now, just a couple, and then I will have some breakfast and then I will have a shower, wash my hair because this hair needs a wash. Yes, and then I need to fake tan today, but I think I might do that just before bed because I like to sleep in my tan. I use a 1 hour express one, but I like to sleep in it anyway. And then yeah, I'll see what else I fancy doing after I have my shower.
You're so good.
So this looks super gross, I am aware of that. It's only this colour because of the spirulina I put in. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, you literally cannot taste it at all. It just tastes like the fruits. So this is super yummy. This is my breakfast this morning. Once I finish this, I am going to jump in the shower and wash my hair. So I'm about to jump in the shower, but I thought before I jump in, I'll quickly show you the products that I use. So first off, a hairbrush, because my hair gets super knotty when it's wet. So I just have this Tangle Teaser, and then I do 2 shampoos, one with the purple shampoo, one with normal shampoo. This is the purple shampoo I use and it is really good. I would recommend this. And then the second shampoo I use is this OGX Mistletoe Wishes shampoo, and I actually got this in America in Ulta. So I don't think we actually sell this in the UK, and I think it might have been limited edition, But yeah, this smells super yummy. So I do that, and then for my conditioner, I have this purple conditioner too. This is by John Frieda, and I don't really notice a huge difference with this, but it's like a purple conditioner, so I thought I might as well use it, because obviously my hair is dyed blonde, bleached blonde. It's naturally really dark, so I need to try and keep it from going brassy. And then lastly, I use a hair mask, and this is the hair mask I use. This is really good, and it smells super yummy. It's the Garnier Hair Food Banana and Shea, and this is always on offer in like Super Juggle Boots, and it is huge. This is a massive tub, and it will literally last you for ages. And then I'm gonna use a body scrub today. So the body scrub that I use is this Original Source Daily Scrub Blood Orange, and this smells super yummy too. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump in the shower and wash my hair. So as you just watched, I blow dried my hair. I did let it towel dry for most of it, so I was literally blow drying for like 5-10 minutes. I don't like using too much heat on my hair because it is bleached, so I don't really want to, I don't want to start damaging it even more. But anyway, I did a little bit of makeup, not too much, just light makeup. It's really nice weather out today, so I'm gonna go sit in the garden. I put away my clothes and I got dressed, and it looks like I'm wearing a play suit. I am not. These are cycling shorts from Misguided, and this is like a it's like a I wouldn't say it's a crop top, but it's a short top. It comes to like here, so it's just above my belly button, and it has these really cute, like, I don't know if you can see, like frills. You probably won't be able to see, but that's from New Look, and I like these tops for wearing. I think they'll be really good to wear to Florida. So yeah, this is the outfit. Oh, I need to put them towels away. These shoes are all my winter shoes, so I need to find a place for them to live, because at the moment all my summer shoes I've put in here, and all my heels are up there, and then more shoes at the back. You won't be able to see, but they're at the back, so I need to find a place for that. I drank my smoothie, so I need to go wash that up, and I'm gonna make some lunch. So I think I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich, maybe. I'm thinking either toast or a grilled cheese. Yeah, so I suck. I completely forgot to end this video or even carry on, because, you know, I forgot that I was vlogging. Worst YouTuber ever. Hopefully I'll get into the swing of things, because yeah, I'm really sorry. I think the last thing you saw me do was blow dry my hair. So it's now 2 days later, and it is the morning. It's like 9 AM. So what I'm going to do now to make up for it is to add a little morning into it. So what I'm going to do is do a little face mask, and whilst I'm waiting for the face mask to do its thing, I'm gonna do some colouring in with my relaxation colouring book and watch some YouTube or Netflix. So this is where I keep all of my face masks. Ta-da! So I have like tons of sheet masks and like lip masks, eye masks, nose strips. I have normal like face masks. This Body Shop one is so good, it's the Himalayan one. So I want to do this hydrating one, but I think I might save this for tonight because you can actually sleep in this, because this is really good. So I'm going to do that tonight. So this morning, what should I do? Eye mask or face mask? Let's do a face mask. Let's do this. This one. This one's super good, and I've been breaking out so much recently. I don't know what it is, but ever since we've been in isolation, I have been breaking out like a beep. So yeah, this one's really good for acne. There we go. Oh, it's not the Himalayan, that's the other one that I use. This is the Japanese matcha tea pollution clearing mask. This is so good. It's like green inside. I'm going to pop this on. So my face mask is on, and whilst I wait for it to do its thing, I'm going to actually do some colouring. So this is the look I'm doing at the moment. It's a Relax with Art, and it is just super therapeutic. If you've never done colouring in before, if you're stressed or just feeling anxious, I would highly recommend it. It's just super therapeutic. Yeah, my colouring pencils, and I'll probably have something on in the background because I don't really like it being quiet, so either some YouTube or a Netflix series or something. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because I literally have no idea what to film at the moment. Everything's crazy. And yeah, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.